So, first of all, we have the question over there. It says the front view and the top view of a right regular triangular pyramid. A cutting plane of AA. So if you look over there, we have the cutting plane AA. And starting point O, which is over there. Alright? Then we have the instructions. Draw to a scale 1 to 1. What does 1 to 1 mean? All the measurements stay the same. Okay. The given front view, the sectional top view, the sectional left view, and the true shape of the cut surface show all necessary constructions and all hidden details. Okay. Vraag gegee die vooraansig en boaansig van 'n regte reëlmatige driehoekige piramide, 'n snyvlak AA en beginpunt O. Teken volgens skaal 1 tot 1 die gegewe vooraansig, 'n deursnee boaansig, 'n deursnee linkeraansig en die ware vorm van die gesnyde oppervlakte, toon alle nodige konstruksies en toon alle verborgde besonderhede. Okay, so first of all, we just go according to what they asked us in the instructions. Okay, in the instructions, go 1, 2, 3, 4, just keep doing as is. Okay, so first of all, number 1, they asked for the given front view. Alright, now where's my front view? Given front view would then be, look at the scale, first angle, so that means my top view is at the bottom. Okay, that means that is then my front view. Okay, so that means we have to draw the given. Okay, but we can't draw the top view without drawing, we can't draw the front view without drawing the top view. Why is that? Because O is the starting point. Okay, so we just draw what's given. In any drawing, whether it's a task or an exam, you draw what is given. Alright. Except for obviously in an isometric, but in orthographic, you always draw what's given. Okay, so first of all, take our set square, and you'll see that that triangle is exactly the same 60 degrees. It even says there 60 degrees, so you can go and draw in construction. Okay, so what I'm going to do so that you can see is I'm going to draw in pencil, dark, that's going to be my construction. For you, with pencil, you're going to go and draw lighter, alright? For me, my outlines are dark lines with the pen. Okay. Okay, then we know that one side is 52. Okay, so we just go and measure 52. Okay, so we have the triangle, the given triangle over there. Okay, now we need to go and get it. These middle lines, you can tell me why those middle lines are there.
To show that
it's a pyramid. Okay, so first of all, we can see over there is a straight line, so we can just go and draw straight line in, and then we go and see that over there is 30 degrees. So we can just go and draw a 30-degree line. And then we have the indication that is a pyramid. Alright? Now we need over here an XY line, you see that? Okay? I usually make it about 5 millimeters away from the given drawing because they don't give a measurement. Remember, it doesn't have to be 5 millimeters away, it's your own choice, but to make the drawing fit in, I always make it 5 millimeters. X and Y. Now, for you to see better,
wait, so shut up.
okay. Now, another 5 millimeters up from the XY line. And what do we do to get the top part? We just take the lines up. Okay?
Yeah.
Side ones I only take because it's a triangle. Top one I took all the way up.
I'm not going to take these and go all the way.
No, you don't have to.
Yeah.
These side ones, you just take to that line over there.
Alright.
Yeah. Okay. Then we know that this triangle is, or the pyramid, indication of the pyramid is 73 millimeters high. Okay. So just go and measure 73.
This is fun. So you don't need one of those center points,
Huh?
you know how you do a center point?
Center line.
Center line.
Oh, you don't need a center line over there at the moment.
Okay.
There's a line going through the middle, so there's no point in putting a center line if you don't see it. Okay, so there we have our pyramid, alright. Now what do we have to do? We have to go and show the AA line, because we have to go and draw that in, okay? So now we can see that this point of the AA line is 21 millimeters from that corner upward, alright? So what I usually do, take a line and draw it up. I'm going to put my measurements on. I go put 21 upwards because it's given. It does say 21. And then if you go to the top part over there, that one there is 54. Okay, so you're going to measure 54.
There's 2 patients like that.
Okay, and now you just go take them across. This one to there, that one to there. You draw a line through it. And go label it AA. Okay.
Wait, so what's it?
So I measured the 53 with the one line again after the 21.
So for yours is 21.
And then I put the line through it, right?
No.
Yes.
You know, you do the long one.
Okay. So you just go and look at those measurements to do the AA line. Okay. Do the AA line, and after the AA line, you know that you have now finally finished your given front view. Okay. So you can actually go and tick that off. Then they say that they want a sectional top view. Now, keep in mind that this AA line is to show where the section is going to be. What part of this triangle that we're cutting off. Obviously, this top piece over there, I'll color it in. That top piece is being cut off. Okay. Understand? You with me? Now, what we're going to be doing is extending our XY line. So this one here, extend that XY line. Measure 5 millimeters away from that triangle. And draw an XY line. Going upwards. Okay. Now, what does all of these orthographic views have? 45-degree line. Okay.
Wow.
45-degree line. Now we take these across to the 45-degree line. And then we take them upwards. And then we can just take these across. And that way. Okay. Now, what I want you to go and do is go and label your drawings. Okay. So let's say this corner over here will 1, this one, 2, this one, 3, and this one over here will make it P for point, because it's a point of the pyramid. Alright? We take them across to the top. Over here, that would be P. This one is 2, this one is 3, and this one is 1. Okay. You with me? Okay. Now we need to go and make points over here where the triangle is going to be drawn. So we're using the labels. Okay? Now how are we going to be using the labels? Explain to me. Okay, cool. Yes, that's how it's done. So P over here, take it across, take it up, and we see that if we follow that line for P and go up, follow that line for P, that's where they meet. Okay, then you can go and label that P. Look at 3, cross there, 3 meets here, 2 and 1 are on the same line over here. So 2 and 1, 1, 2, they meet over there. Okay.
So what angle is that?
First angle. Okay. So now we can just go and link up the points. Okay. Those are our points that we have and that we need. And then we can now take the AA line. This is important. Pay attention. That, and that. So each point that this AA line cuts through, you take across. Okay? Take that across. take that across, and take that across. Okay, now you go and look which points these AA lines have cut through on. So over here it is cut through on 1 to P. So on 1 to P it's cut through there. So follow, wherever 1 is, 1 to P is over there, that's where it cuts through. You with me? Next one, 3 to P is cut through there. So go look for 3, there's 3's line, that's where it's cut through. Alright? And then over there, on that line, 2 to P, that's where it's cut through. 2 is over here, and you're going to put in a point there. Okay, still with me? Now what you're going to do is, those 3 points, you go and connect them. It's like join the dots. Okay? Okay, so then we get that triangle. You see that? Okay. Now we need to go and figure out which parts of this drawing we're going to see. Okay. So we look at this and we know that the top part over there, so that colored in part, is cut off completely. So that means any lines from this triangle we just drew in here, any lines to the top of it won't be seen because that top piece is cut off. Okay. And then we go and look which lines we're going to see at the bottom. In this drawing it's easy because there's only 2 lines. Okay, so that one and that one. That one. And that one. And then obviously the baseline over there. Okay. But now, what happens to every single part that we cut off? What do we do to it? We make section lines. Okay, to show that it has been. Show that it has been?
That's all.
That's all. Okay, so 45 degrees. Each one of these has to be more or less the same distance away from each other. No, that just stays in construction. Okay, there we go. What view is this? What side? Left view. Okay, it's my left view. So we go here, left view. We can go tick that off. Now we have the sectional top view. This is our top view, right? That thing needs to be sectioned. Okay, same thing. The AA line, you just draw them down. So obviously, this is 1 to P. Okay, there's 1, there's P. Take it down. It crosses over there. Okay, this side, 2 to P. Take it down. It gets cut over there. Okay. But now, what is our conundrum? What problem do we have?
Our conundrum.
3 to P. Why? Because it's on the same line. Okay. And we know that somewhere on this line from 3 to P, there has to be a point where we can draw to. Right? How do we do that? How do you think we do that? Okay. Yes. Draw it across to the side. So from there, we go to this point. Okay. From 3 to P, we push it over to 2 to P because that one we have, right? And then where it crosses over there, we can then go draw a line down to there. Okay? But that is still not our end product. Alright? When doing this, okay, what we do is take our compass, put the metal point on P, and the lead point on that point that we just got, and draw a line curving. Okay. You see it? Okay. Now we have our point on 3 to P. You with me? Okay. Now that we have that, make a point, and then we can go and draw in this cut-off piece. Okay?
Emma.
Okay. Now you can see that part over there, that triangle there, you see that? That is then the part that has been cut off. Okay, that's how we're showing that it is a sectional view. Okay, there we go. We have to go and draw in the section lines. Okay. Okay, there we have that one. Question 2, instruction 2 is now done as well. So 3 out of the 4 questions or instructions we have now finished. Okay? One more that we need to do. Now this one can be done in 2 different ways. I'm going to show you the one way for now. The other way I'll show you the different stage. Okay. Focus. Now they ask us to show the true shape of the cut surface. The true shape of the cut surface. Okay. Now, to do the true shape of the cut surface, we have to go and draw a line where that crosses. You see that? Draw a line from there going up, straight up. Okay? And that's the line that we're going to use. Okay. Now, we can't just go and draw a line from there straight across and from there straight across, because it's not going to work out. Okay? We take our compass, alright, put it over there. See, over there. Measure to there and draw a curve. Measure to there and draw a curve. Okay. See what I did? Okay. So now we've drawn that line going up, and those 2 curves going from there to there and there to there. Now we can take those lines and draw straight lines going from them. Okay, see that? Cool. Now we need to go and draw in our cut surface. Okay. The cut surface we always take from a top view. Okay, so you measure literally from the XY line down to the cut point. You follow, it's 2, there's 2, that goes there. And there, to 1, there's 1 is there. It goes there. and then down to 3 from XY. There's 3, follow the line, goes there. Okay, so I have a point there, I have a point there, and I have a point there. Are you with me? Now we just go and join those points. Okay, what do I do now? Section lines. Okay. What is another word for saying section lines that we should be using? We went over this the other day. No, it is. It's hatching. Okay, there you go, you can go tick that one off. Awesome. That is what our true shape is.
And then that's the shape of the...
Yes, that's the shape of the cut surface. Okay, without the rest of the pyramid, it's the shape of the cut surface. In every single solid geometry drawing you do from now on, you will get a true shape that they ask you for. Okay? If they want you to do it like this, with the curves, they'll tell you, okay, you do it with the curves. Okay. But sometimes they will tell you they want the true shape parallel to the AA line. Okay. So in other words, they want you to draw it parallel to that line. So in other words, you're going to be drawing it a line there and drawing it upward. Okay. We'll get there one day, but for now, do it like this, and their states otherwise. Okay. Now, do you understand how to do solid geometry? Are you with me on this? Do you have any questions?
First thing you do the compass, curving all of the line. What is bring this down?
What do you mean?
Anyway, never mind. Let me just do it and then you ask me.